Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick video on fire starting with jute twine or any natural fiber rope such as this. Basically, you take a 1-inch piece, cut it, pull the strands apart, 3 different strands, rip them down into a ball like this. Once you get a ball like that, it's great for your fire bundle, your bird's nest, whatever you want to call it. All natural fibers, they catch like you wouldn't believe. Show you a really quick example. Put that in my tray. Try to at least. Got my fire starter. And up it goes. Simple as that. Costs next to nothing. Extremely light. My stick has paracord in there, but you can also line it with that, and then you actually have your tinder material too. Great idea. Weighs next to nothing. You can also make any kind of cordage like this out of tree bark, dried out shrubs, vines, anything that you can break down into fibrous material such as this. Basically, you want to process it, get as much airspace in between as you possibly can, and it catches a spark like you wouldn't believe.